Lighthouse and anything and everything you would want to know about us, as well as a privacy policy. You'll always be able to find those here available. So in addition to that, we started identifying pieces that we've written or just helpful resources about various financial planning topics. You can see we've got education, estate planning documents, milestone key birthdays. Those are kind of the things that trigger us that, oh, something's coming up. We definitely want to, make sure we're paying attention there. And then, Social Security break-even analysis example. So those are all there. We'll be continuing to develop this library, but it's just, intended to be a resource. So I had mentioned that you can upload your personal documents, and I'm going to walk through how that happens. You click on this, and then you can browse your computer files. So I've set up a, I've had it default, for privacy and security issues to go to a particular location. But if I wanted to find somewhere else, you just drop down and you can navigate. And so I've got a sample tax return. Sally called me and just let me know they had their tax return done, and it's ready to upload. It can be anything. I just picked a tax return. And oh, shoot. For some reason, it's not going to want to let me do this. In any case, that's a bad example. I apologize. But it typically is much easier to do this. The file, the format, you can upload a PDF. I think it wanted a PDF, a document, an Excel, PowerPoint, or a text, or a picture even. So in any case, that's how you do that. And once it is uploaded, then you would see it here. I apologize, that's not working at the moment. And so, here's an opportunity. This little envelope here, that is, as you page through the tabs, it automatically will pull this email, an email, so that you can send an email, and it would be addressed to Jim. Oh dear. Let's do this. Sign in real quick. And so I could say, hi, Jim, just try to upload and had trouble. And it'll send it away. So hopefully you wouldn't run into problems, but you could communicate about anything. Point being is you're going through the website and you're looking at your accounts, or you had a question about a report, or you just want to say, hi, I've gone through my accounts, things look great, and happy to let you know I'm feeling good. At any point, that envelope stays there, and it's just a click away to send the email. So moving on to the last little bit of my presentation, the tips and tricks. So I have played with this site quite a bit, and for anybody who has an iPad or a smartphone, it's very easy to navigate to this website and put your, go through the login and then save or bookmark the site. And then all of a sudden you have your information available and handy wherever you go and wherever you may be. So if for some reason you're at your estate planning attorney and working on updating your documents, you could have the information right there handy available. If you're at your tax person's office, you could do that. If you're at work and you're like, yeah, there was something I needed to do with my beneficiary, what was it? You could navigate here, come to your action plan, and take a look and see what your actions were regarding the beneficiary changes we had suggested. So, so that is primarily the most beneficial way that we can help support you in implementing your financial plan, make the information readily available, but then also the ability to go paperless and to, take the burden of having to deal with the paper, store it securely, and then figure out how to dispose of it properly when, it's become dated. All of that becomes very automated by using this site. So in essence, that wraps up my part of the presentation. And